Yeah, absolutely buzzing. Obviously worked hard in training all week with Gibbo. Obviously need to earn my place into the team, and directions were go on, work hard off Wildy and just running behind, and luckily got my rewards in the end.
It's a tough afternoon. Did you feel like you deserved more out of the game?
100%, yeah, definitely. I thought the better team lost. They've got experience in key areas of the pitch. I thought George Horan, Danny Holmes, Mike Wild all played well today, but I thought we put them on the back foot an awful lot throughout the game, and we just couldn't find that bit of quality to get the goals we needed. Neil,
3 home games, 3 home wins and 3 clean sheets. You must be happy.
Yeah, really happy. Happier today because the initial 2 home games that we've won, we've probably 1-0 and scraped our way through. I thought today we carried a threat right the way through the game. I was a little bit disappointed, if I'm honest, at half time. I thought we had some gilt-edged chances that we didn't take that could have put the game probably to bed 2-0. And Penybont are a very, very good team. Anytime you beat Penybont, you're going to have to work extremely hard to do so. We've got a couple of bodies in, Anderson and Hazy making their debuts today, coming on off the bench. It gives us more strength in depth, and we look a little bit more like the sort of team I want us to gel into, but it's still very early days, and we'll take the 3 victories, and 3 clean sheets are always great.